from recyclable materials slash alcansha. So we need empty bottle, scissors, glue gun, glue stick, marker, and also foam
Boards.
boards. Recycle me. So and also I forgot I need an adult. So which is this? Nanay. Nanay cut the middle part and then you just waiting the paint to dry. I'm gonna cut the ears, but be careful for the scissors. The ear is done, and so now I'm gonna do the spot of the Coinbank slash alcansha. Can you guess what I am doing? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you. And now back to the video. So the kids. The ears. Guys, I promise guys, this does not look like a mouse. Nana said that. This does not look like a mouse. Guys, the final part is to put the coin on the piggy bank.
Is that a piggy bank?
Ay, sorry guys, coin bank. Important to save money even though you are young. Hope you like the video. Bye bye. Remember, stay happy and rise up. Dancer is cow. Wow. Dancer is cow.
Cow.
These are tips on how can you save money. Number 1, know your wants and needs. Number 2, do not spend on not important things like chocolate, soda, chips, and Skittles. Number 3, I turn off the lights, TV, and the electric fan so I have more electricity and save money. Guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Stay merry, stay happy. Rise up. Bye.